Alright, 11, we have 6 parts. We want to explain the reasoning for each step. So part 1, we're given 62 times 10, and it looks like they've spread it out. They've shown 6 times 10 plus 2. So this 6 is in the tens place, so that's place value. Looks like they're trying to get us to see here. So that's the property of place value. Step 2 drops down here. So now it looks like they've distributed this 10 to this 6 times 10 and 10 times 2. So that's how they get this. So this looks like the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Alright, step 3, they have regrouped. We went from 6 times 10 to 6 on the outside and 10 times 10. So this is the associative property, who you associate with. They've changed the grouping and everything else is the same. So this will be the associative property. So from associative property, now we're looking at this. So this is kind of like expanded form, but we're using properties of exponent. So 10 and 10, they've combined to be 10 squared. So repeated multiplication of the same number can be written as a power. So that would be the definition of a to the n. From there, we still have 6 10 squared, 2 times 10. We've added this 0 times 1. So we got the hundreds, the tens, and the ones place. So adding that 0 times 1 doesn't change anything, but what that represents is the identity property for addition and the 0 property of multiplication. So we can add 0 and it won't change anything. Okay, and then from there we actually put the number together. So this is 6 times 100, 2 times 10, and then 1 times 0. So this is not identity. Identity is times 1. This is not associative. We didn't change any grouping. We actually didn't distribute anything from here. So the only option left is place value. So we just put each value in its respective place.